Hi everyone, my name is Alex. I am the Director of Programs at the Ecology School, and I'm excited to share this activity with you today. It's called Banana Vault, and this is an opportunity to look at change over time and how decomposition happens in different environments. All right, in order to do this experiment, you're going to need some very simple materials. The first, some banana peels. If you have one, you can split it in half, two, whatever, but a banana peel or two. You're going to want some kind of airtight container. This is the one I happen to have, but anything will do that you can keep air and light out of. A little sign or something to mark your experiment that it's happening. And as a good scientist, of course, you're going to want your something to record your data on. All right, so then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to place your peels into two different environments. The first environment that you're going to put it in is your air and light tight container. There's nothing in there, so I'm just going to put my banana peel in there. I'm going to close it up, and that's going to be one of our banana peels. The other, I'm going to find a place that's as exposed as possible. I'm just happen to put mine right here in the dirt. I'm going to cover it with a few leaves. And this has got to be a place where it can be and it can stay over the next week or two. And that you're going to be able to come back and look at how these have changed over time. All right, so the last thing you're going to do with that is I want you to make a prediction. What do you think is going to be different, and how do you think things are going to change between those two banana peels? And then make a plan for when you're going to come check on them and observe those changes. And when you do come back and observe, how are they different? How are they the same? Any ideas why or why not those might be the same? And you'll have an opportunity to really see what decomposition looks like and how that changes something like a banana peel over time. A really important note, this activity can be done inside very easily. You could maybe put your exposed banana peel in a potted plant or something like that. There's no reason in the world that you could decide how you want to do that, and it's very easy to replicate inside.